Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how filters work within the Leads application. The user can access the filters option by clicking on the filters button. Once open, the user can checklist the required filters from the displayed list and click Apply. The filters are applied and the leads are retrieved based on the conditions specified. The filters can be cleared by either clicking on the Clear Config button in the landing page or by clicking the Clear Filters option within the Filters tab. The user can also select various types of filters and save them as a configuration. It can be done by clicking on the Create My Filter option. The user can provide a name for the filter and a description for the same and click Save. The user can access the created filter through the My Filters tab. The user created filters can also be shared to other employees by clicking on the Share button and typing in the name. Once done, the configuration will be migrated to their My Filters section for the same to use. The filters can be edited and deleted as well. The order of filters displayed in the Filters section can be changed by clicking on the Customize Filter button. By changing the order here and submitting the same, the changes can be seen within the Filters page. The Reset Filters option removes all the changes within the Filters section. Thank you for watching.